One body, one voice. That's the hook. And honestly, it's the challenge. I've seen how fast we split into teams, creators, churches, ideas, even tiny preferences. It's like we love microphones more than messages. 1 Corinthians 1:10-18, let there be no divisions among you, not because we all think the same, because we look to the same center. I'm with Paul. I'm with Apollos. Sound familiar? I'm team this pastor. I'm team that style. Paul basically says, did any of us die for you? Was Christ divided? That's the line that stops me. Christ isn't a playlist. He's the point. Here's the twist. Paul even downplays his own highlight reel. He says he wasn't sent to show off speeches, but to center the cross. Because if the show gets louder than the sacrifice, we miss the power. The cross looks foolish to some, but for those who are being saved, it's the power of God. So what do I do with that today? I trade labels for love. I pick conversations over comment wars. I amplify the message, not the messenger. I choose the cross over clout. Unity isn't uniformity. It's harmony. Different notes, one song. Your gift, their gift, my gift. Tuned to Jesus, not our egos. If Christ isn't divided, why am I? Maybe today I text the person I disagree with and listen. Maybe I stop name-dropping leaders and start name-lifting Jesus. Maybe I ask before I argue, is this building the body? One voice, not louder for the algorithm, clearer for the world. Let the cross be the headline and let love be the proof. I'm in. You?